Welcome to day 13. We've been chained to our desks for 2 weeks. Today, we're going wireless.
Yep, we are about to unlock the ESP32's greatest superpower, its built-in radio.
We're going to do this with Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE. It's perfect for devices like ours.
Now, this isn't for streaming music. It just sends tiny data packets without killing your battery.
So how's this work? Well, think of it like a classic server and client relationship.
Your ESP32 is the server. It's basically just shouting, "Hey, I'm over here."
And your phone? That's the client. It's the one listening for that specific signal.
To communicate, we're setting up what's basically a wireless mailbox. It's called a characteristic.
So your phone, the client, just walks up and drops a message inside this mailbox.
Okay, let's actually do this. Go ahead and grab any standard BLE app on your phone.
In the app, find your ESP32's mailbox and just drop in the number 1.
Instantly, the ESP32 reads that 1 right through the air and runs the code.
And just like that, poof, the LED turns on. Now that is wireless control.
Okay, pause for a second. Does this whole thing feel a little familiar to you?
It should, because you just did the exact same thing you did way back on day 1.
You turned on an LED, but this time, no wires. You did it completely through the air.
Bluetooth is absolutely amazing for controlling things when you're in the same room, right? But what if you're not in the same room? What if you're in another country?
Well, for that, you need the internet. And guess what? Day 14 brings Wi-Fi.